guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Teej to all the beautiful ladies out there who celebrate Teej festival. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off, my face was really red because of the heat. I'm gonna spray some facial spray all over my face to get that refreshment back. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Milani brow pomade in the shade dark brown. I really love this brow pomade because it is not drying at all, because brow pomade tends to get drier quickly, so it's not like that with this one. So I really love this brow pomade, and it's quite affordable as well. The best part of today's video is the products that I'm going to use on today's video are all affordable. So yeah, just let me do my thing now. And I decided to do a married version of this look because Teej भन्ने बित्तिकै first thing के आउँछ red color and gold jewelry. So I decided to do a married version of this look. But if you don't want to wear that bold red lipstick and red tikka, you can totally skip and switch with some neutral colors and make your own look. Now when the brows are nicely shaped in, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm using some concealer to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I'm using the one from Milani. I don't really remember the actual name, but I will definitely put it in the description box so you can check there. I'm really loving this eyeshadow lately because it has all those essential neutral shades. This has been like my go-to eyeshadow lately, and pigment wise as well, it is really good. I took that light brown shade on my Morphe M441 brush and I'm just applying it all over my lids randomly. Now taking another shade on that same blending brush, I'm gonna apply this to my outer corner first, and also I'm gonna apply this to my lids because I'm not going to use any shimmer eyeshadow today. So yeah, I'm doing that. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner today, so to do that I'm using the Essence eyeliner. I find it really easy to do a winged eyeliner with a eyeliner pen, and I also decided to add some glitter eyeliner. This one is from NYX. My NYX one was dried out, so I used the Urban Decay one, but you can use that NYX one. It's equally good. It's just the same thing. Now for the lashes, I have already mentioned about these lashes on my previous videos as well, but I will also put the link in the description box where you can find these lashes. It's really affordable, like 800 or 900 for 5 pairs. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to make my real lashes stick with those falsies. Now when the eyes are all done, I'm gonna move on to my face. So for the primer, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro HD foundation. This one is for dry skin, but if you have oily skin, you can use this L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. This is a really good foundation for oily skin. I took one pump of that LA Girl foundation and I am applying this all over my face using my beauty blender. If you guys want to make your makeup last all day long, then don't wear a lot of foundation. Just try to make it minimal. Before concealer, I'm gonna apply some orange color corrector to hide some darkness underneath my eyes. After that, I'm gonna apply my concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige as usual. And to highlight my face a little bit more, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. Just a little bit, not too much. Taking my Allegro concealer in the shade Toast, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm directly applying that dark concealer on my beauty blender and I start bouncing that on my cheekbones and all those usual areas where I want to contour. I forgot to set my concealer before, so I'm using this Wet n Wild contour kit. Taking that yellow powder, I'm applying this all over my face. Whenever I set my face with some powder, I always like to spray some facial mist. This just makes everything look so natural. From that same contour kit, taking that dark color, I'm going to use this to set my cream contour in place. I'm just going to apply this on top of my cream contour. So for the blush, I'm really loving this Milani baked blush in the shade Luminoso. It just adds that peachy satin glow to your cheeks, so I really love this one. Now for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna apply the same shade that I used on my outer corner and also on my lids. Just gonna apply this a little bit. I'm just applying some mascara on my lower lash line, and now I'm also gonna add that same glitter liner to my inner corners and also to the edge of my winged eyeliner. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the Allegro Strobe Light. If you guys are searching for a really good but affordable highlighter, I highly recommend this one for you. I was really impressed. Okay, now for the lips, I'm using the Jordana liquid lipstick in the shade Red Velvet Cake. I got so many questions about this liquid lipstick, you guys. The shade is beautiful and the formula itself is amazing, but if you do like 2 or 3 layers at once, it's gonna look dry and flaky, so I recommend you to do it on a one swipe. And it only cost you 700, I guess, in PrettyclickNepal, so I really want to thank PrettyclickNepal for sending me this beautiful products. I highly recommend you guys to visit PrettyclickNepal. I will put their link in the description box. So the look is finally coming together. I added a red tika, some gold jewelry, some highlighter on my collarbone, and also some spritz of that same facial spray. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this Teej festive inspired makeup look. And I also tricked you guys on my Instagram saying that I actually got married, and some of you guys really believed. So yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.